Tokyo 2020 President Yoshiro Mori has warned international federations that deciding who covers the additional costs arising from the postponement of the Olympic Games will be a major challenge. In a letter to the 33 federations on the Tokyo 2020 program, Mori referenced the financial implications of delaying the Games until at least the summer of 2021. Japan invested US $12 billion in the run-up to the Games, and IOC President Thomas Bach had warned that the price tag will rise further. Mori also issued a rallying cry to deliver the Olympic and Paralympic Games Tokyo 2020 next year and show that humans had triumphed over the coronavirus. The International Olympic Committee and the Japanese organizers this week postponed the July 24 to August 9 event due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the first such delay in the modern Games' 124-year history.